Hey, Auto Arena fam. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into the hottest rides on the planet. Today, we've got something truly special of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This isn't just a car, it's the pinnacle of luxury, a rolling masterpiece. If you're ready to see what $500,000 gets you in 2025, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's roll into it. First up, let's talk looks. The 2025 Phantom carries forward its timeless design with a few subtle tweaks. That massive Pantheon grille still screams Rolls-Royce, flanked by laser-sharp LED headlights. The Spirit of Ecstasy stands proud up top, optionally in solid silver, gold plate, or illuminated glass. Classy, right? This year, there's also the ultra-rare Phantom Scintilla Edition, only 10 made worldwide, with a stunning two-tone ceramic finish in Andalusian white and Thracian blue. Regular models start sleek and sophisticated, but with Rolls' Bespoke program, you can customize it to your wildest dreams. At 5,770 mm long or 5,982 mm for the extendable base, it's a presence you can't ignore. Step inside, and it's a whole other world. The Phantom's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury, acres of hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood, and polished metal accents. You've got the iconic Starlight headliner twinkling above, and rear passengers in the extendable base get 8.6 inches of extra legroom, perfect for sipping champagne. Want something unique? Swap the dash trim for custom artwork. Tech-wise, there's a crisp infotainment screen, a 17-speaker Lexicon sound system, and massaging seats that make every ride feel like a spa day. Rolls-Royce calls it waftability of that effortless, floating vibe, and trust me, it delivers. Under the hood or bonnet, if we're being posh, it's a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 pumping out 563 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic and rear-wheel drive, this thing glides from 0-60 in 5.1 seconds. Sure, it's no supercar, but that's not the point. It's about smooth, silent power. The air suspension and road scanning cameras iron out bumps like they don't exist. Fuel economy, 12 miles per gallon city, 20 highway. But if you're buying this, you're not counting pennies at the pump. Now, the big question of how much? The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at around $517,750, but with options, it can easily climb to $1 million. The Scintilla, sold out up and priceless. Is it worth it? If you're in the market for unmatched luxury, prestige, and a driving experience like no other, absolutely. This is the king of the road. What do you think, Auto Arena crew? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and tell us your dream spec. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. We've got more automotive goodness coming your way. Until next time, keep driving the dream.